Welcome to Finance Investor Lab. If I started investing in 2026, this is my exact step-by-step plan. No fluff, no guru talk. Fed final cut, Bitcoin halving, demographics shift, all converging into a once-in-a-lifetime window. Stick around. I'll show you the 3 moves to profit before the window closes. Let's dive in. Macro map. Fed final meeting 2025 just ended. Last rate cut of the year. Bitcoin halving 2026, ETA April 2026. MIT data shows 140K is the new broke. Demographics shift, rate of immigration, economic force. Combine these, perfect storm for investors. I'll break it down step by step. Step 1, rate impact. Step 1, rate of immigration, economic impact. MIT data shows housing demand, or consumer spending, labor costs. I use Gemini card, 4% back on gas, free BTC. Never sell, compounding, get your income. Step 2, assimilation versus forced. Assimilation versus forced change. MIT data shows economic stability versus political risk. Rate of change, economic stability, personal finance hack, profit from demographic shifts. Free BTC via Gemini card. Step 3, personal finance. Hack. Step 3, profit from demographic shifts. MIT data shows auto invest 15%, beats 150 chaos non-investor. Gemini card, 4% back on gas, free BTC. Never sell to compounding more income. Q&A bucket. Q, what if I start today? A, auto invest 15%, buy BTC dips, sell Santa Rally, never sell, compounding core income, free BTC via Gemini card. Q, what if I'm under 18? A, parent guardian, custodial account, same 4 steps. Comment 2026. If you auto invest 15%, I'll randomly fund 1 SIP. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.